Hello guys, if your fingerprint sensor doesn't work, I'm gonna fix it. Let's get going. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna take a soft cloth like this and you're gonna clean the sensor. It's here somewhere. Wait, it's gonna be better if it's here somewhere. Here. So you're gonna go to cleaning. You hold the phone, you go a little bit, just a little bit. Yes. So it's cleaned. If you put your finger, it doesn't work. Okay, don't panic. We are gonna fix it. We go to settings. Here you write fingerprints. You draw your current pattern or your pin. And what you're gonna do? Fingerprints. You press here on add your fingerprints. Continue and register. We are gonna register our finger. As you can see, when the circle is fully green, you have to put the finger up, so it registers your finger completely. Okay, it worked. Add another, done. I didn't add it, but it's never mind. Or have I? Wait, we are gonna check it. Oh, my finger works. What we are gonna do next? If maybe this still doesn't work, you have a screen protector, this little glass. You can take it off and then try it. If then it works, you need to change your screen protector. Okay, if it still didn't work, we go to settings and you look for software update. It's here, software update. As you can see, you click it and check for updates. Mine is fully updated. If yours isn't, there will be an option to update it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Have a good day. Goodbye.